In this lesson, we are looking at the number line. Every whole number can be represented by a point on a straight line called number line. So this is what we refer to as a number line. We have a straight line here with the arrows at the end of the line. Then we have points written here, and these points have numbers attached to them. So these numbers are represented by the points on the straight line, and then this whole thing is referred to as a number line. On the number line, let's try to make or draw some analysis here. Starting from the left to the right, let's compare. Let's take all these ones as monies. So if someone owes -4 or 4 cedis and another person owes 3 cedis, comparing the two, which one of them is better off? Realize that if I owe 3 cedis and you owe 4 cedis, then I'm better off than you. We move from 3 to 2, or -3 to -2. The same way, owing 2 cedis is better than owing 3 cedis. The same way here, owing 1 cedi is better than owing 2 cedis. What of -1 and 0? Yeah, if I owe 1 cedi and you don't have any money, then you are better off than me. Comparing 0 to 1 also, 1 is bigger than 0. So on the number line, starting from the left to the right, you realize that the number closest to it is greater than the previous number. So if you have -4 and -3, you can see that -4 is less than -3, which is the same as -3 greater than -4. -2 here is less than -1. -1 is less than 0. 1 is less than 2. So the analysis we can draw here is, on the number line from the left to the right, the numbers move in increasing order. Then from this side, that is from the right to the left, the numbers move in decreasing order. For the positive numbers, it's easier to compare, but for the negative numbers, what we should take note of it, the number which looks bigger is always the smallest when it comes to negative numbers. So if you have -2 and -1, if they were positive numbers, then 2 would be bigger than 1. Since they are negative numbers, then it means 1 is bigger than 2. So the number line can help us compare any positive and negative numbers. The symbol less than, the symbol here, is used to mean less than, and the symbol here is used to mean greater than. So as not to get confused, you can represent the symbol here. You can just use your left hand to show it's less than. Then the symbol you can use your right hand to draw or indicate is greater than. So let's try to compare these numbers. The first one, we have -1 and -2. So which one is the bigger number? Since they are negative numbers, then 1 is the bigger number. So we use this to show that -1 is greater than -2. And always note that the symbol should face the bigger number. When we move to the next one, yes, 4 is bigger than -3. Any positive number is bigger than a negative number. When we come here, yes, 0 is greater than -1, or -1 is less than 0. Then the last one, yes, 2 is bigger than 0, or 0 is less than 2. So we can use these two symbols to compare numbers. Always note that 0 is bigger than all negative numbers. You can end the exercise